Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you does Infinix Hot 40 Pro have slow-mo or not. As you guys know that we have a lot of setting in Infinix Hot 40 Pro camera, but if you're talking about slow-mo, so just go to camera and swipe up so that we have a lot of options here. So as you guys see that we have option of slow-mo, yes, we have slow motion in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. Have a look. Okay. So yes, as you guys see that Infinix Hot 40 Pro device has slow-mo. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.